everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mercy Kiando. For those who are new, karibuni sana sana. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make this wig. I have a video that I showed you how to make a crochet wig. I think I made it like last year, but 2018. I'm going to put the link over here so that you can go watch after you've watched this, if you haven't understood this. Yeah, so I decided, like, you know what, there are new people, so let me just update it. Nothing has changed except that maybe I would have gone for other better materials, but I didn't have them with me, so I just did with whatever I had. Yeah, so what has changed is that I've used different type of hair, and that is the Kimz hair. Yeah, the style is called Blossom, this one, and I picked the color Ellie, something Ellie. It's a blonde color. They have this system of naming colors according to the names of their family, something like that, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so this is Ellie, and Ellie is always blonde. So I have Blossom. This type of hair is called Blossom from the brand Kimz, and it's 12 inches. I bought this kitambo last year. I think it was 16,000 per pack, and I've used 2.5 packs. As you can see, a half of it has remained. But if you're using it on the head, I'm sure you'd have used maybe 2 packs. Yeah, something like that. So I'm going to show you how I've made this fringe, and also without the fringe. Yeah, so different ways. And the reason why I did this as a wig, as much as I wanted to do not as a wig, it's because I can't stay with a hairstyle for long, because I make hair videos, so I can't stay with one hairstyle for long. And I love this hair, and I want to stay with it for longer, and I want to take a lot of photos with it. So I decided, you know what, let me make it a wig, but let me just record it. Yeah, so another thing that you're going to need besides the hair is the weaving cap. I would advise you to go pick the better version of this, which is always found maybe at Zuri's. Yeah, at Zuri's unaweza pata like the right the stronger one. This one is weak, but like I said, I'm just doing this for the photo shoot and whatnot. If I wanted it for like something else, like hover all the time, I would have used maybe a stronger one. So you can go use a the stronger version of this, which is found at Zuri. I think 10,000 to 12,000, one of those things. I'm not really sure. Yeah, so go to Zuri's page, and then you're going to see there. And then obviously you're going to need a crochet needle and a scissors and a mannequin head, and also you're going to need some pins to pin down the weaving cap. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how I do it. I might do it as a voiceover or not, self-explanatory. So yeah, so until next time, guys, I hope you like it. If you like such kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Guys, we are almost 1K, please, guys. Yeah, so yeah, share to people that you think that are going to love such kind of videos. Yeah, so until next time, ciao. Okay, so this is the mannequin head, and this is the wig cap that I'll be using. As much as I wanted to use a better quality wig cap, but I didn't have it at the moment, and where I live, it's quite far from where I can get one, so I had to make use of what I had. Yeah, so so that's it. So I'm going to use these pins to pin down the cap on the mannequin head, and this is the hair, the Kimz hair in the color Ellie. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So I'm going to just detangle each piece, and then crochet the hair. So let's go on this part. This is how I crochet basically. So what I do is, after unraveling the hair, what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the crochet needle
like, I don't know how to say it, like 3, or not on the hole, one hole, but more than 3 holes, so that it can be strong. And the good thing is the crochet, I didn't have to like tie it twice because it was not sliding, so that's a good thing. Otherwise, if it was a sleek hair, then it means that I needed to like kaza like mara mbili ama mara tatu. So I'm going to show you again, like unaona hapa, like I'm doing the same thing, and I'm passing the one strand over once because the hair is not sleek. So basically that's it. And then I'm going to show you on this side without the other hair to distract you. So I'm going to leave you so that muone like that. As you can see, that's why I'm saying that this cap is not one of the best quality, but iliweza ku hold the hair, and yeah, it's okay. But if you want a long lasting a durable wig, I would advise you not to use this one. As you can see here, yeah, I would advise you not to use this. There are those braided ones and the other ones which are like this but stronger, and like I said, you can get them at Zuri. So yeah, that's that. So basically this is what I'm going to do all over the head, all over the wig cap. And yeah, I'm going to later onwards I'm going to show you how I wear the wig, both in a side part and also in a fringe. so this is how I'm going to wear. But mind you, once you do a crochet wig, especially using this, you have to make sure that you hide the spaces where the wig cap is showing, like I'm doing right now. So it's just trial and error thing. So this is what you're supposed to basically do. Here I was trying to find out if I can do a fringe, and I found out that I could do it. That's what I'm going to show you later, but first let's do the side part first. So this is the final look of me in a side part. Yeah, like you can see there. Yeah, so let me just show you how I cut the hair into a fringe, like so. Yeah, otherwise, thank you for watching, and until next time guys, bye.